Hey everyone, Mog here, and today I've got the DOM IX TwinStar in front of me. As you might be able to tell from the key, this is a particularly fun one with 3 max lifts, 2 on the left, 1 on the right. Key does work as you'd expect. As far as tools go, I've got the Sparrows wiper style tensioner I'm using on the right side with Bible up for clockwise tension. And I've got a combination of a ssdev medium hook, ssdev short hook, a SouthOrd medium hook that I'll use for setting the dimple pins, and then a SouthOrd small half diamond that I will use for the interactives. Now let's get to picking. I'm going to be starting with the right side here since it will bind up first due to the clockwise tension. Starting at the back, there's a little click out of 4. A nice little click out of 2. I think I've already set 1. I'm going to try 3 now, or max lift on this side. Okay, got a little click on 3. Gonna double check our other pins now. There's 1 again. Oh, and 2 and some nice plug rotation. I'm gonna try setting the lower interactive now. So I'm just gonna slide this along the groove in the warding until I hit this special piece of warding at the back. I don't think I'm actually getting the interactive set though. Okay, don't think I've quite got it. I'm going to see if any of the pins are binding on the left side. They are not, so I've got a little more work to do on the right. Oh, there we go, a little click out of 4 and 1. We have a little CO3's feeling. Something clicked there, but that may have just been some other pins on setting. So other pins feel pretty good. Okay, there's 1 and 2 again. I think it dropped. There we go. Okay. There's 4 and 1 and 2. Some nice plug rotation. There's 4 again, 1 again, 2 again. Okay, 1, 2, and 4 all feeling very good. I'll click on 3. Oh, there we go. Little tap on 2 and 1 and got some good plug rotation. We'll try the lower interactive now. Seems to be giving me, there we go, quite a bit of resistance, which is good. That's what I expect. If it feels mushy and I hear it like springing back up, I know it's probably not set on the right side. So I think I've got the interactive now. Gonna see how the pins on the left are feeling. Okay, got 4 and some good plug rotation. Okay, the ones near the back are feeling pretty good. Draw the lower set ones. Now I'm going to try our max lifts at the front. Okay, I think I might have got a little more plug rotation, so that's a good sign. Those are feeling pretty good at the front now. Okay, we've got some good plug rotation going. I'm going to try for the upper interactive now. Oh, I think I slipped off it there. Okay, there we go. I think I got the upper interactive. We're obviously not open though, so let's go poking around and see what's missing. Poking at these, oh, there we go. Little click on 4, and we are open. Okay, let's get tools out of the way. There you have it. We don't need the vise anymore. Okay. So I've got a variety of tools here. I'm gonna lock this guy back up. And we're gonna start by getting this clip off at the back. Sadly, this is a crappy kind of clip. Come on now. Okay. Finally got that off the back. Now, I'm gonna shim this just in case because better pickers than me tell me I should. Okay. Just want to make sure I've really got it in there. Okay. So there we go. I'm gonna start with the bottom stuff. So here, I haven't actually gutted this before, so you know, here should be some good fun. So there's our sidebar. I guess I will take the key out. Okay, might actually need some picks after all. Oh, there was the bottom interactive just in my pants. So that's great. And then I think that is everything from the bottom side. Oh, there's a little ball bearing. I guess that's probably some drill protection or something. I'm not exactly sure what hole that was in, but I think it may have been that guy. That's a problem for later. Okay. So, with the key this way, let's start poking out these key pins. There is, so I'm going to do the left side on the bottom, and then the corresponding right side above it. Crap. There we go. Sorry, I'm a wee bit nervous. Hands shaking. There's that guy. There's the fourth key pin. There's our fifth. There's our sixth. Spin it around to get at these ones. There's our seventh. There's the eighth. Ah, yes. And there's the ninth. And here is our interactive. So I think that is everything out of here now. We've got our passive pins too. I assume these come out. Oh crap. Let me go find that pin. wherever you are. There we go. I'm gonna have to be more careful with the remaining guys here. So this bit here, there we go. A few other passive pieces there. Whew. And now I think I actually have everything out of this guy. I'm not exactly sure where this ball bearing came from, but there's a few spots I can imagine. Could go one of those. Whoops, almost dropped it. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with this before I lose it. But okay, now let's gut the or take the drivers out. So there is oh, so that came out this way. Okay, I'm gonna dump the springs out after. Then there's that guy. Actually, there we go. Come on, spring. You can do it. Don't be shy. There we go. There's that one. I tell you, these springs, very shy today. go. Just maybe do one more set of chambers this way. Okay. This guy will be up here. Actually, no, it won't, sorry. That corresponds to that for the interactive. Oh, that was number 9. Whoops. We'll just put him up here. Actually, still got one spring in there. Okay, there we go. 2 springs actually. This is the one for this guy, and this is the one for that guy. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So I guess so there you can see all of our guts. Pretty impressive set of stuff there. Guy is quite interesting, as is this. I guess that's our one interactive setup. And then, interesting, I guess this looks like, I believe, one of the interactives. And then, I guess I didn't notice the shape of that last pin. But yeah, so there you have it. There is the guts in all their glory. You can see those, where are those max lifts sitting? Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. So good fun. And then, yeah, as you can see from the plug, this is what you'd expect. So all the pin 9 kind of standard pin chambers, interactive, then our sidebar groove, and the other interactive, or the other half the interactive, however you want to put that. And then, as you can see here, we've got the sidebar groove at the bottom, and these sides I believe are just for passive pins, but nothing out of the ordinary for a TwinStar, at least as far as I know. It's the first time I picked one, so I'm not exactly an expert. There's a close-up on the key again. And something I thought I mentioned, I don't remember if I actually mentioned this while picking, but the reason I like using this small half diamond is because where the interactives sit are opposite of these 2 little pieces of warding there and there, and it might be kind of hard to see here, but there's a special spot of warding that interacts with the little wheel. And so if you run your pick down that slot until it bumps into the warding at the end, then you can just let it tilt up a little bit, and then you end up being right over the one interactive. So I really like using that method to set both the interactives. I find they can be really hard to find and get on top of, in my opinion. So I found that using a half diamond really helps to not struggle as much with finding those. Oh, but there you have it. That is the Dom IX TwinStar picked and gutted. Thank you so much to Rein and DuckFacts and PeaceWeapon for all the advice they gave me, because this probably would have taken me much longer without sage advice. So, for anyone who took the time to watch, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.